to my channel. Welcome back to another Payday wig day, baby. Before we get started, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Now, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today, I did purchase from Go Beauty New York. It is by Zury Sis, and her name is Max. This is what Max looks like on the stock card. She is a half moon part, 6-inch semicircle, deepest hand tied. She does come in a bunch of other different colors. She is a synthetic unit, but she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And on the back, it comes with instructions on how to care for the unit. Here's the unit, guys. Straight on out the pack. Now, this unit doesn't come with any lace to cut, so y'all already know, honey, I am happy, okay? She has 2 combs straight in the front. She has a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. Here's the parting space. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. If you've been following me for a while, you know I prefer my parts on the left side. This is a right side part, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. So let me go ahead and spruce her up so we can really see what we working with, okay? Her. Today I'm going to give Miss Max, I'm going to give Miss Max 4Ks. Yeah! Yes, honey, she is getting 4Ks, and let me explain to you why. If you have a big head, you can wear her, but she's not the most big head friendly unit that you're going to put on, if that makes sense. Another thing I do not like about this unit, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, you know how some synthetic units you can see lines in the hair? That's how this unit is. You can definitely see the little rigid lines in it. I love the cut of it. The style is everything. I love the fact that it doesn't have any lace. This is one of those type units that you can just take it on out the pad and put it right on your daggone head. You don't have to worry about cutting any lace or anything like that. This unit did have a little shedding, but not a lot. I like the fact that it doesn't like bend. You know how some bobs, it has like that bend. So yeah, Miss Max is going to get 4 out of 5 Ks, okay? Wear this unit anywhere, honey. Like I say all the time, if you got a parent-teacher conference to go to, after that, you going out to happy hour with your friends, you going to a concert, you going to the wine festival, wherever you going, you can throw this unit on. You can tie a scarf around it. You can put a hat on it. You can wear this unit anywhere. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of Miss Max. I do love the parting space on this unit as well. This is what the unit looks like without it being behind my ear. I like it either way, but for some reason I just really like this unit behind my ear. I don't know why. I just think it looks cute like that. Zury Sis, you got 2 thumbs up for the parting space alone and the cut. Okay, if it didn't have these rigid lines in it, I would have gave y'all 5Ks. But this is all that I have on today's unit, guys. You already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.